to time is very essential for our existence, be it going to a far off place or taking a weekend getaway. And on that note, I start this new episode of IV Endeavours. Hi friends, hope you all are doing great, having fun and going to enjoy this long weekend. Today is Raksha Bandhan, and on account of Raksha Bandhan we had holiday and we wanted to make some good use of this extended long weekend. So we have headed to Lonavala and we have just landed in a resort called Rumourss Sky Resort and Villa. We have just arrived here, friends, and I wanted to give you a tour of how our villa looks like. So these are some tree houses and they are built at different levels. The ones that are there on the lower level are called pool villas, and we are on the top upper level ones, and they are called the sky villas. Let me quickly give you a tour of our villa. So friends, this is the entrance. This is the entrance to our sky villa, and outside it is very windy. It's raining heavily and quite foggy. I'll just give you a quick gist. See how it is looking. It's all foggy and windy. And once you enter the villa, this is how it looks. So here is our bed. Here is a sitting area. There is the TV. And this is the balcony outside. It has become so foggy and so windy that the outside is not that visible. So here you can sit and enjoy the exterior, and downstairs it is the pool. Friends, in front of us there is a dam called Lake Dam. See, the visibility has totally disappeared and we cannot see the dam, but when the weather gets little better, probably I'll be able to show the dam. Then once we enter our villa again, so you can see this staircase through which you can go to the attic area that is also very nicely arranged, and from there you can look at the outside, and there is a single bed there as well. And let me quickly show you the bathroom as well. So this is a full mirror in front of the bathroom, and this is how the bathroom area is. So we have a bathtub as well. So it seems to be pretty nice.
I found the aesthetic and decoration of the resort to be quite peaceful and quite impressive. The front entrance of the resort was decorated following probably the Feng Shui style. There was a huge wind chime which was making very peaceful and rhythmic sound all throughout the day and night, and which I felt like increased the vibrations of the place altogether. We waited for the rain to reduce a little bit before stepping out.
So friends, it's almost 5:30 p.m. in the evening and the rains have reduced a little bit. It's still foggy, but we have come outdoors now from our resort and we are going to a lake to enjoy the view.
This was a fall close to our resort, and we found out that despite the torrential rains, many people were enjoying the exteriors, the surroundings, and enjoying the view and feel of this fall. In monsoons, Lonavala has its own charm when all the falls and water bodies and the dam are filled with water, and you can enjoy the monsoon to the fullest. And after enjoying the time around this fall and getting rejuvenated, it was time for enjoying a garam garam bhutta. And after that, we came back to our resort again.
Good morning, friends. It's day 2 of our stay in Lonavala in Rumourss Sky Villa Resort, and now is the morning time. Yesterday it was still raining throughout the night, and it was windy and foggy as well. What a weather, what a pleasant weather. And the room staff here has been very courteous and pleasant, and we ordered our dinner because it was raining so heavily, and they served it in the room itself, which is really nice. And I thought that I couldn't show you the artist area yesterday during the intro, so thought quickly I'll show you how it looks like. Yesterday evening we chatted here and spent some good hours. So let's see how the artist looks like. So friends, now I am in the artist area. I came through this staircase, and this is the bed I was talking about. This is the extra bed, and this is how the roof looks like. A cozy area in the room, and from the glass itself you can see how foggy it is. Come to a dam called Bhushi Dam. So this dam is very nearby to where we are staying. So this is the Bhushi Dam, and you can see the view. And in fact, the resort itself is located within the Bhushi village locality. Friends, we are just back from Bhushi Dam. You saw how thrilling and how revitalizing it is, the experience was. So we just came back to the resort, we freshened up, and now we are heading for the breakfast in the resort's restaurant. Then let's go.
Friends, this is a quick view of how the restaurant in the resort looks like. We had a hearty breakfast at the restaurant, and soon we got ready to check out.
Friends, soon we are going to check out from our resort in Lonavala, and I am going to wind up the part 2 of our Lonavala trip video here. If this video made your day a little brighter, a little happier, do not forget to give the video a like, share the video with your close ones, and subscribe to my channel IV Endeavours Food and Travel if you haven't done it so far, to stay tuned and get updates about my upcoming videos. Bye for today. See you very soon. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, and take care of your near and dear ones.